GitHub Worktrees are just awesome. If you know how to use them properly, they can save you a lot of time. Okay, so you can see I have opened GitHub Desktop and the repository has two branches, branch 1 and branch 2. I'm trying to create a new window for each branch, branch 1 and branch 2 in VS Code, but right now it is only letting me check out one branch at a time. For example, right now I am inside branch 2, as you can see inside VS Code as well, branch 2. Let's try to switch to branch 1 and let's see what happens. Right now I have only one window opened up in VS Code. Let's try to switch to branch 1 and open it in VS Code. Okay, now we are inside branch 1. You can see it is only letting us check out one branch at a time. So what if you want to work on branch 1 and branch 2 simultaneously? So you have two windows opened up and then you can write code and review PR requests and maybe work on a new feature. You can't really do that smoothly with just stashing. It can easily become complicated and messy. This can be a bit frustrating if you're not used to work like that. This is where GitHub Worktrees comes in very handy. I can create as many Git worktrees as I want. Each worktree will create a new folder locally, which simply means I can check out as many branches as I want and I can work simultaneously. Now let's try to create a new worktree. Just to keep things simple, I'm using GitHub Desktop. I will right click on my repository. I will click new worktree. I will name it worktree 01. It will create a new branch, obviously, because we want to check out the branch as well. So I will choose a folder, development, and I will create a new tree. Okay, so our work tree has been created successfully. As we can see right here, we are inside work tree 01 branch. Let's see what happens when I try to check out this branch. Okay, perfect. So now we have two windows open up, right? So that's how work trees work. So right now we are inside branch 02 and we are inside work 301. Let's try to open branch 01 here. Let's go here and select branch 01. Okay, boom. Now we have branch 1 and branch 2. Now I can work simultaneously on these branches. We are inside branch 01 in one window and then branch 02 in another window. Now I can write code, commit, and work on different features simultaneously without interfering with the main code base. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. And if you learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment for the next tutorial. Thank you very much.